Okay, ladies and gents, today we will be making chicken. What kind of chicken? Pineapple chicken. But not the kind of pineapple chicken you're used to, because it's Filipino. It's called Pininyahang Manok, which directly translates to chicken that's been pineappled? I don't think that's right.
Alright, make sure for this one you have 3 onions that you're going to chop. 3 bell peppers, I mean I got the assorted one, but you could stick to one color if you're OCD like that. A venti cup of heavy cream, so venti is 20 ounce.
2 cans of pineapple chunk. Oh my god, that's not a... It's okay, I bought an extra one just in case. I fucking knew it. 2 cans of pineapple chunks.
1 bulb, a whole bulb, okay, of garlic.
Of course you're gonna need chicken. I got like chicken leg and chicken drumsticks.
Alright, make sure that you slice these onions. Dice some garlic. And of course your assorted peppers. As you may know, I like to cook with butter, not with oil, so get 2 tablespoons of butter into a medium, already hot, on medium heat in a pan. Put your garlic and onions to saute. That smells so good. Don't forget that when you are sauteing, you make sure that the heat is at least really high. Not to the back, but high. And after you saute this for about 2 minutes, you're gonna add the peppers. Yum, 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 yum. And you're gonna saute these. I don't know why the fuck I just did that. You're gonna saute these for about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, you're going to add the chicken. LOL, I bought too much chicken. This is, I'm just gonna, Alright, saute the chicken with all of the ingredients that you were sauteing before. Let it, kind of like mix it around for a good 3 minutes.
Alright, after about 5 minutes of you just kind of like sauteing the chicken with everything else, you're going to finally add the pineapple chunks. Well, just the juice, so just drain it.
Boy. Alright, so we're just gonna add it here, and we're gonna use this to kind of let the chicken cook in it. So we're gonna boil it with it. I don't usually add the chunks until later on, so what I actually do is I add one of the chunks, or 1 can of the chunks now, and I'll add it later. Wait, I'll add the second one later. Before closing it up to let it boil, I'm going to add just kind of a little bit of fish sauce. Just a bit, guys. Mix it. So I use the fish sauce instead of salt and pepper because I don't have pepper, but I have salt, but I don't know. I find the fish sauce already to be a little salty anyway, so kind of substitutes for it. I'm gonna drop the heat down to just a little bit above medium, and I'm going to just let this baby cook for half an hour. Yes, half an hour. Alright, after about half an hour, oh geez, the smoke. Yum. Of like boiling it, I'm going to add half a cup of heavy cream into the pot. For now. Alright, after we mix it a little, we're also going to add the rest of the pineapple chunks. Alright, after about 5 minutes of mixing it, you're gonna add another half a cup of heavy cream. Once added, add another little bit of the fish sauce. Oh my god, I'm like shaking. There you go. That should be enough. So as you mix that, alright, then you're going to let this simmer for a few minutes until it actually reduces. Ooh, I can't wait to taste it.
Alright, after about 30 minutes again, now that I've sort of reduced it, keyword sort, I suck at this, you can serve it. Or you can be like me, and this is where I actually start to modify it to how I like it. So for me, I actually like to add
a little bit or a lot of cayenne chili flakes.
Okay, so because I don't have a guest tonight, I'm gonna be tasting this myself. I hope it's good. Ugh. Okay, here I go. Wow. Well, shit. That's pretty fucking good. Okay. Ew, I got like shit all over my lips. It's good. Okay, that works. Yeah, that's amazing. Yes. But I think it would be a lot better if I actually got some fresh pineapples. I mean, if you were to do that, get pineapple juice, but then get fresh pineapples, because the sweeter the pineapples are, the better it actually mixes with the cream and everything else that you're supposed to put in. But yeah, so that's Pininyahang Manok. I hope you guys like it because it's pretty good.